quickly go across now to the state of Punjab. We also have Ashwin joining us live this morning. Good morning to you, Ashwin. Amandeep, if I can come to you now, because the Punjab government will be conducting the drive in Patiala, and Punjab has been selected by the Patiala district where the dry run will be conducted at the Government Medical College. Can you give us more updates, because you have been showing us around the preparations that have been done on ground right from the registration till the time the patient comes out of the center?
Exactly, Amita. Now the Punjab have selected the Patiala city. Earlier it was in Ludhiana and Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar where the dry run was conducted. But now the new team of doctors and new medical staff, they will be educated about this dry run and COVID vaccine exercise also. Right now we are standing in Chandigarh Government Medical Hospital of Sector 16, where I can show you, just because Chandigarh is equally important, just because this is the first time that dry run exercise will be conducted in Chandigarh, and entire staff is pressed to the services to prepare all the things, just because at 900 hours the dry run will be started, and the entire security and paramedical staff is here to make all the arrangements. It is very important, just because in 3 different places in Chandigarh the dry run exercise will be done in Sector 16 hospital, Sector 32 hospital and Manimazra. These are the 3 places that has been identified by the UT administration. And even if we talk about the Punjab, it is only one place where the dry run will be conducted today. It's only in Patiala. And if we talk about the Haryana, it's only in the Panchkula government hospital where the dry run will be conducted. And now you can see the arrangement. This is the waiting area of Sector 16 hospital. This is actually, dry run is conducting in a very professional manner. The doctors reveals that only the vaccine shot will be the dummy. Rest of the exercise will be done in a very professional manner, and in fact in a similar manner when the actual vaccine will roll out, the entire exercise will be done on a very serious note. And all the doctors, including the medical staff, have given a very strict instructions that from the part of the registration till the time of the observation, everyone has to be very much serious about it, just because they have to also witness the loopholes in this entire exercise, so that post this dry run they can plug in the loopholes also, so that whenever the vaccine will roll out, actual vaccine will roll out, there should be no lacking in the exercise. So that is why they are making all the arrangements perfectly, and even they have separated the place inside the hospital. No public entry is allowed in this part of the hospital, and even the team of doctors are prepared. They have delivered the information to the medical staff. They have given the instructions to the medical staff how to go about the exercise, what needs to be done in the exercise. And in fact, this will be conducted at 900 hours, and 25 health workers will be the part of this.
Everything will be thoroughly done in detail, as you can see how Amandeep has been explaining. That is there in Chandigarh, where Patiala today has been identified where this dry run on day 1 will be conducted. Let's now go across to Kerala, where Ashwin is joining us live, because Ashwin, Kerala will be conducting a dry run for the vaccine administration in 4 of those districts that have been identified. Please tell us more.
Yes, Amita, 4 districts of Kerala, which includes the capital city of Thiruvananthapuram, then Palakkad, and 2 hilly districts of Idukki and Wayanad will undergo the vaccination, the mock run today. And right now, I am at the district model hospital at Perurkada in Thiruvananthapuram. So I am right now at the waiting room where the 25 patients will be waiting. And this is a place where it will be the vaccination drive, the mock run will be held. I'd like you to see how this entire process is. From here, the patients will, the people who would like to take the COVID vaccination will be brought into the registration department. And as we move in from this registration department, this is where the immunization room is, and this is where the vaccination process will be done. And there are staff, about 25 staff has already been assigned, all duties have been assigned, and as you can see, the staff is all set, they're checking the softwares also. And here, this is where the COVID, the vaccines will be kept, and all the cold chain management and the ice line refrigerator, everything has been set over here. And you can see some of the staff over here, they're already testing, and the vaccination, all the boxes have been kept. As you rightly said, except the real vaccine, everything else has been arranged, including the syringes, the vaccine boxes, and everything. And once this vaccination is administered over here, we move back. Sure. We move back to the observation room, and this is the observation room. And from the observation room where the patients will be, where the people who have been administered, they'll be observed here for 30 minutes. Some 25 people will be given the vaccination, and further, the exit is here. So this is all the arrangement that has been made at the district model hospital.
So the basic setup is the same. The basic setup is the same. Ashwin, thanks very much for the detailed report. Going across to the national capital back again, Shivani is joining us this morning. This is the Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital in Shahadra, which has been identified as the venue today where the dry run will be conducted. She'll be showing us around. Yes, Shivani will be with us in just a bit, where this is the medical officers in charge who will be identifying the healthcare workers also, who will be now testing the beneficiaries. So in detail, how this exercise will be conducted as we are trying to go inside of those hospitals and centers that have been identified today for this dry run to be conducted, to get a better understanding of how the setup actually looks like. Right from the registration to the vaccination room to the observation room, and right when the patient comes out after being administered the vaccine, there is also everything which is being monitored on the central server. So going across to our reporters once again, where all of these states and union territories that are being participated in this dry run conducted today onwards, when it starts, we'll keep our viewers ahead on the same. Shivani and other reporters will be with us continuously to give us all the live updates from different states and union territories. We'll head into a short break. This is a live coverage.